Crypto by and large necessities no presentation these days. Over the precise past fundamentally couple of years, crypto explicitly has risen quickly. It is assessed that Smooth Love Mixture's worth and development will commonly be galactic in light of the fact that it especially is so strong and in every practical sense, has gigantic fundamentally expected in an unobtrusive way. Contrasted with commonly other resource classes, Smooth Love Elixir cost is trying to anticipate and delicate to economic situations, which certainly is very critical. In any case, we chose to really make the best projected esteem and assess development for Smooth Love Potion's future. Last month, truly normal Smooth Love Elixir cost was 2 cents, and according to our figure, Smooth Love Potion exchanged as extremely high as 3 cents and as kind of low as 0.00 last month in a fundamentally significant manner. Assuming that we center around in general development, really Smooth Love Elixir developed by 126.87783533936177% last month. From our truly last month, certainly Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation, we anticipated that Smooth Love Elixir would proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now, Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging at $0, which could top at $0. In view of Smooth Love Potion's cost changes, we have anticipated that the cost of SLP would truly develop by $13.90% toward the start of April 2023. During the mid of April, the cost is supposed to ascend by a limit of $117.80%. Before the month's over, SLP is most certainly liable to explicitly develop by $41.42%. In view of Smooth Love Potion's cost vacillations, we explicitly anticipated that the cost of SLP would fall by $13.90% toward the start of April 2023, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. During the mid of April, the value is supposed to fall by a limit of $117.80% in a for the most part significant manner. Before the month's over, SLP explicitly is probably going to fall by $41.42%. As per the very current market circumstance, the cost could be a very limit of 1 cent by 2025 and really least value down to $0. That being expressed, in every practical sense, normal SLP cost could more at $0, or so they really thought. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation 2023 in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023. Smooth Love Mixture came to $0. It for the most part dipped under $0 since January 2021, which is very critical, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades. Genuinely Smooth Love Mixture in every way that really matters is headed to passing the $0 before the current year's over. Before $0, it might truly break its sign of 42 cents and arrive at in a significant manner. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Smooth Love Elixir will break its past all-time high of 42 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 11.95 M, and it makes number 240 money in the truly entire crypto world. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that Smooth Love Elixir can get through the $0 and in a real sense hold the market toward the finish of 2024. In a real sense, the least extremely Smooth Love Elixir cost will be between $0, and the most probable Smooth Love Mixture cost will truly be in every practical sense consistent at around $0 the finish of 2024. Despite Smooth Love Potion's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically threatening energy use, tycoon adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper generally is adhering to his forecast that Smooth Love Elixir will for the most part reach $0 the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Incredibly, Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that SLP will begin the year at $0 exchange around 1 cent, as indicated by their expectations. This would be very high contrasted with last year, which most certainly is very huge. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2026. There certainly is a decent opportunity that especially Smooth Love Mixture 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it generally is likewise conceivable that it may not really arrive at its normal truly most extreme 1 cent level. Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at an unsurpassed high of 1 cent or 1 cent in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Smooth Love Mixture. In a kind of significant manner, Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027 fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast, or SLP, will encounter enormous development in 2027 as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. Smooth Love Potion. S cost truly is supposed to outperform 1 cent in 2027, which sort of is very huge. It has been anticipated that for the most part Smooth Love Elixir will arrive at the greatest cost of 1 cent, and the base cost by and large is supposed to basically be around 1 cent in the following a long time from 2027. Amazingly, Smooth Love Elixir conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Smooth Love Mixture value forecast and specialized examination. Smooth Love Mixture truly is supposed to truly cross a value level of 1 cent in 2028. In the meantime, Smooth Love Elixir in a real sense is supposed to arrive at a kind of least cost of 1 cent this year. The truly most extreme cost might reach 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation really foresee that the expense of Smooth Love Elixir will reach 2 cents, and the cost of SLP ought to reach 2 cents before the year's over. What's more, SLP can essentially reach up to 1 cent in value, which is genuinely critical. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring critical years for sort of Smooth Love Mixture development. SLP Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecasts sort of are supposed to cross the 2 cents normal cost level, as indicated by really Smooth Love Elixir estimate and specialized examination. Toward the finish of 2030, Smooth Love Potion S base cost is supposed to be 2 cents in a significant manner. Furthermore, SLP can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme value level of 2 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, for the most part Smooth Love Mixture will have a sort of typical cost of 2 cents, which is genuinely critical. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, or so they thought. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2031 sort of Smooth Love Elixir cost is assessed to reach 3 cents by 2031, at most certainly least. With a typical exchanging cost of 3 cents all through 2031, Smooth Love Potion S worth could come to 4 cents at its especially the most elevated. The experts anticipate that the fundamentally most extreme cost should exchange around 3 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Figure 2032 of every 2032. Especially Smooth Love Elixir will attempt to arrive at the kind of the most minimal degree of 5 cents. It might really attempt to explicitly get the most extreme and next essentially top level of 5 cents with the very normal conjecture cost of 5 cents. It might break the past sort of high and fundamentally go ahead to its extremely next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we foresee it will arrive at its next level. Yet, it might really dump a what will be the in every practical sense least cost of Smooth Cherish Elixir in future. Up to $0. What will be the greatest cost of Smooth Adore Mixture in future? Up to 5 cents USD will especially Smooth Love Mixture cost expansion in future, which is very huge. Indeed, Smooth Love Elixir cost will expand as per our anticipated information in future. Interest in genuinely Smooth Love Mixture is productive or misfortune making, or so they basically thought. Indeed, exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir is beneficial speculation in light of our guaging, as opposed to prevalent